My name is Jessica and I'm coming to you today from Anvil Analytics and Insights. And today I wanted to go over how to create a calculated metric in Google Analytics. So to start with, we're going to come down here to Admin. In the View column, we're going to choose Calculated Metric. We're going to choose Add New Calculated Metric. And we're going to give it a name. So in this example, I want to calculate conversion rate per user. Google Analytics has it, but it's per session whenever they calculate it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this per user. So I'm going to name it user goal conversion rate. This will fill in as you're typing. That's totally fine. You can leave it as is. The formatting type, I'm going to go ahead and change this to % because this conversion rate will be a %. If you're doing anything with currency or with revenue, you may want to think about changing it to currency. And there's a couple other options depending on what your metric will actually be calculating. From here, we can go ahead and put in our formula. So I'm going to do goal completions. And when you click that, it'll add the curly braces around it. That's totally fine. Divided by users. So now that I have my formula in, all that's left to do is click Create. That'll go ahead and add it to your Google Analytics view. Now, one thing to remember, you can only add 5 calculated metrics per view, so make sure you use them wisely. Don't overdo it and run out. But that's all there is to it. If you want to continue receiving tips and tricks about Google Analytics, Google BigQuery, Google Data Studio, or Google Tag Manager, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our latest content.